Welcome to the Populations and Samples module of Elementary Statistics. In this module, you'll learn what a population is and what a sample is. Simply put, populations and samples are both groups or sets of data. A population is comprehensive. It includes every member of a group having a given set of characteristics. A sample, on the other hand, is a subset of a population. It consists of only some members of the group having a certain set of characteristics. Consider the most common usage of the term population, the population of a country. For example, the population of the United States would be the citizens of the United States. A sample from the population of the citizens of the United States would be the citizens of the state of Texas. Or, consider another possibility. A sample might just be the citizens of the city of Austin, Texas. Finally, consider another sample. This one's a little more complex. A sample from the population of the citizens of the United States could be the citizens of the state capitals of the United States. All of them share the same characteristic. They're citizens of the United States. That's the population. A sample from a population may be any size greater than or equal to 1. The data points in each population or sample are called elements or observations. Consider the circles below. You can see that samples are any proportion of the population. They may also overlap. For example, the sample of citizens of state capitals of the United States overlaps with the sample of citizens of Austin, Texas, because Austin is a state capital. Variables may be used to describe both populations and samples. If a variable is used to describe a population, it is called a population parameter. If it is used to describe a sample, it is called a statistic. Parameters in statistics are measured and calculated in the same ways. The only difference in a population parameter and a population statistic are the elements on which measurements are taken and calculations are performed. For example, consider parameters in statistics relating to the population of the United States and the samples, the citizens of Texas and the citizens of Austin, Texas. The average age of the citizens of the United States is a parameter of the population. It is a variable that's used to describe the population. The variable, the average age of the citizens of the state of Texas, is a statistic. It describes the subset of the population, the citizens of the United States. Similarly, the citizens of Austin, Texas constitutes a sample, and the average age of those citizens is a statistic. In summary, consider this chart. A population is a comprehensive group. It describes all members of a group having a certain characteristic. A variable used to describe a population is a parameter. A statistic is a subset of a population, and a variable used to describe a statistic is called a sample. This concludes our populations and parameters, statistics and samples module. Welcome to the Populations and Samples module.